The Unitree Go2 robot dog has received a powerful new enhancement, the Bionic mode upgrade, a game-changer in robotic mobility and versatility. This innovative upgrade equips each of the Go2's legs with motorized wheels featuring 7-inch pneumatic tires, blending the best of legged and wheeled locomotion. With this hybrid design, the robot can smoothly cruise over flat surfaces and seamlessly adjust to uneven terrain or minor obstacles, and also being capable of climbing over obstacles as high as 70 centimeters. This dramatically improves its real-world usability, whether indoors, outdoors, or in industrial environments. Beyond its impressive hardware, the Go2 software ecosystem also plays a vital role in its enhanced capabilities. With support for GPT-powered interaction and real-time environmental understanding, whether used for research, inspection, entertainment, or education, the Go2 is not just a robot dog, it's an intelligent mobile platform built to push the boundaries of what autonomous robotics can achieve.